Hello, and welcome to this video on how maxView Storage Manager helps you to manage the remote systems in your storage space. maxView Storage Manager includes proactive failure notification, supports all standard browsers, and is also available as a standalone application and an offline USB boot image. maxView Storage Manager components include the maxView GUI, an ARCCONF command line tool, an event monitor for logging events and email alerts, a vSphere plugin, a Redfish server, and a SIM provider. This video captures how to add a remote system manually, how to change the auto-discovery settings, how to add multiple remote systems when auto-discovery is on, and how to remove a remote system using maxView GUI. Let's talk about adding a remote system. There are two ways of adding a remote system. We can either add a system manually or add multiple systems discovered via auto-discovery. maxView Storage Manager has a wizard to manage the remote systems in your storage space. The wizard simplifies the process of connecting to remote systems from the local system and adding them to the enterprise view. However, maxView Storage Manager also has an auto-discovery engine that runs in the background, periodically searching your network for systems running the maxView Redfish server. We will talk about each process in the upcoming slides. Now, let us see the procedure of adding a remote system manually on your network. To manually add a remote system, log into your maxView Storage Manager GUI. On the ribbon in the Home group, click Add System. Enter the system name and login credentials in the space provided. You can select the management protocol from the drop-down list and specify the port number, then click Add. maxView Storage Manager connects to the remote system and adds it to the enterprise view. The next topic covers how to change auto-discovery settings. Auto-discovery in maxView Storage Manager is disabled by default. You can enable or disable auto-discovery feature if desired and configure the auto-discovery settings. When enabled, the auto-discovery task runs in the background and periodically search your network for the available remote systems. To change the auto-discovery settings on a system, select the Enterprise View node. On the ribbon, in the System group, click System Settings. The System Settings window opens for that system. Select Enable Auto-Discovery option to enable/disable auto-discovery. To update the auto-discovery settings, in the Auto-Discovery Interval field, enter the number of seconds between each auto-discovery check. This number determines how often maxView Storage Manager checks for changes in remote system resources. Click OK to save the changes. Now let's talk about adding multiple remote systems simultaneously when auto-discovery is enabled in maxView. The auto-discovery engine searches for the available systems in the same network. To add multiple systems, select the Enterprise View node. On the ribbon in the Home group, click Add System. The list of discovered systems with their system name IP address will appear under the Discovered tab. Select the system name and specify the login credentials. You can select Single Sign-On option to specify the username and password for all the selected systems that have same credentials. Also note, Single Sign-On option is enabled only when more than one system is selected. Otherwise, you can also specify each system's credentials manually. Then, click Add. The remote system gets added to the Enterprise View node. If you no longer want to manage a remote system, you can also remove it from the Enterprise View. The following instructions show how to remove a remote system. To remove a remote system, on the ribbon in the Home group, click Delete System. Select the system you want to remove. To select all systems in the list, click the checkbox at the top of the window. Click Delete. maxView Storage Manager removes the remote system from the Enterprise View. Thank you for watching this video on how to add and remove remote systems from your network using maxView user interface. For more information about smart storage products or maxView Storage Manager, please visit us at microchip.com/smartstorage.